Hi, I'm Damien and this is Rainy from REVO Cycle. So this is our latest product. We call it the KnightRider headlight. So it sounds a bit difficult to install it, so we're going to show you right away how to plug it in. So once you receive the KnightRider's headlight, it's already been wired like this, so you only have to worry about plugging it in to your motorcycle. We'll still review a little bit what are these wires for. So first, the main LED headlight is powered by this wire, and the two blue wires here are for controlling the high-low band. Then you'll see this extra cable linked here to this magic controller. The magic controller comes within this box with a QR code on it. You just scan it with your smartphone and install the app that comes with it. This way you can control the colors and the patterns of the angel eye. Then we also have these two wires here that are to power background light. Then we'll review first how to test all the functionalities of the KnightRider's headlight. So the first step is to check all the good operation of the different lights of the whole headlight. So with the power source, we first test headlight LED, then we can check the angel eye. For that, once you have downloaded the app through the QR code scanning, you can see on the app the different choice you have of colors and of patterns that you can choose and set to your favorite one. Then we can check the good operation of the background light, and all these different lights can be worked independently when using different switches. To remove the head, you have to unscrew the 4 screws located over here, but that's only for the models after 2012. Before 2012, you would have to remove the whole cover. Then you need to unplug all the wires, so the 2 switches, the headlight plug and the position light plug. The position light plug is the one we're going to use to plug in the angel eye and the background light, but that's only for European models. If you have an American model, you wouldn't have this position light wire, but you will have 3 wires here with a brown wire more than on the European one. So in order to power the angel light and the background light, you will have to hook up on the negative black and white and positive green wire. So here is the setup once we've done all the wiring as we've described before. So here we can see the main headlight wire. Here the harness is fixed inside. This is to be plugged into the headlight motorcycle plug. On this part we have the angel light wiring with the control box inside, the magic box that we have duct taped inside of the head, which is intertwined with the background light and wired together with clips so that we can later plug them together into the original position light of the motorcycle. We've added one additional switch here so that we can turn off the background light while still running the angel light. And on another side, you can turn off the angel light through the app that you have downloaded before. And we have also added another switch for the headlight here so that you can turn off the headlight while still running the angel light. So at ignition, the angel eye and the background light are turned on like this. You can control the angel eye color and pattern by using the app that you have downloaded before. So you have up to 200 different patterns of moving lights like this. If you don't want to have the background light, we have added the switch like here. So you will have only the angel eye lights turning around. And if you want to turn on the headlight, you have the other switch that we have plugged together. When the LED light is turned on, we don't see the background light anymore. We thank you for your purchase and don't hesitate to contact us. Send us an email if you encounter any trouble during the installation of our KnightRider LED light.
Keine.